Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about the top interview questions for Certified Fraud Examiner. So let's get started. Question number 1, what are the types of fraud schemes? Your answer is: there are a number of threatening internal and external fraud schemes. Some of these are: 1. Asset misappropriation schemes. 2. Fraud by vendors. 3. Corruption. Question number 2, what is the need for fraud examination? Your answer is: well, fraud examination and investigation is necessary as it provides the essentials for resolving fraud allegations from inception to deposition. The use of proper procedures, techniques, and skills is essential so as to conduct an effective fraud investigation or examination. Question number 3, who should manage the risk of fraud? Your answer is: a combined effort has to be made by the Board of Directors, internal and external auditors, the Audit Committee, risk management personnel, operations personnel, investigators, and others in order to manage the risk of fraud. Question number 4, what do you mean by a fraudulent transaction? Your answer is: a fraudulent transaction is one that is unauthorized by the credit card holder. These transactions are divided as lost, not received, fraudulent processing of transactions, stolen issued on a fraudulent application, counterfeit, account takeover, or some other fraudulent conditions as defined by the card or the member company. Question number 5, define accounting. Your answer is: the process of recording financial transactions pertaining to a business is called accounting. Moreover, the accounting process is inclusive of summarizing, analyzing, and reporting these transactions to regulators, oversight agencies, and tax collection entities. Question number 6, what are the types of audits? Your answer is: the 3 types of audits are: 1. External audit. 2. Internal audit. 3. Internal Revenue Service audits. Question number 7, what is an internal audit? Your answer is: an internal audit is usually done in-house, laying emphasis on the process assessments, the safety of assets, control assessments, and legal compliance. It has been designed in a way that enhances an organization's operations and also adds value to the company. The business leader begins the exercise, which is performed further by an audit team. However, the scope of the audit is determined by directors with equivalence authorization or the audit committee. Question number 8, what do you mean by an investigation report? Your answer is: an investigation report is a type of document that details the findings of an investigation as soon as an incident occurs or a formal complaint is filed. Thus, this is where investigators record the issues of the matter, analyze the evidence, and then formulate a conclusion. Question number 9, what does a statement refer to? Your answer is: a statement is a written or, in some situations, a video recorded account showing what happened. This statement is of use as evidence in court. However, before making any statement, the officer asks certain questions in order to find out what has exactly happened. Question number 10, when should we take witness statements? Your answer is: generally, witness statements are to be taken as soon as possible in order to ensure that the events are fresh in the mind of the witness. Moreover, the evidence is recorded before the witness has the opportunity to discuss their evidence with others. Question number 11, what are the common causes of crime? Your answer is: the common causes of committing a crime are greed, jealousy, anger, revenge, or pride. Some people even decide to commit a crime and then plan everything carefully in advance so as to enhance gain and reduce the risk. Question number 12, what do you mean by white-collar crime? Your answer is: white-collar crime is a type of non-violent crime where the main motive is solely financial in nature. These white-collar criminals generally occupy a professional position of power and have commands well above the average compensation. Question number 13, what do you mean by fraud prevention? Your answer is: well, fraud prevention, as the name suggests, is the implementation of a strategy in order to detect fraudulent transactions, or banking actions, and ultimately prevent these actions from causing any financial and reputational damage to the customer as well as a financial institution. Question number 14, define fraud risk. Your answer is: Fraud risk is the risk that financial statements have material misstatement without detection by the auditor and the management. Management plays the primary role and responsibility in order to design the control to prevent and detect fraud. Question number 15. What are the basic principles of evidence law? Your answer is: the two fundamental principles of evidence law are as follows. First, the court may receive anything that is not relevant as evidence without exception. Second, whatever is relevant is admissible as evidence by the court, subject to various exceptions and qualifications. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.